Thinking about buying a fixer-upper in Sarnia? For the right buyer, it can be a smart move, but it's not without risks. Today we're breaking down the costs, benefits, and risks of buying a home that needs work in Sarnia. Fixer-uppers typically come with a lower purchase price, giving you access to more square footage or better neighborhoods. But renovation costs add up fast. Think beyond cosmetic updates. You might face plumbing, electrical, or structural fixes. The good news? You can customize the home your way. Want an open kitchen, finished basement, or a modern layout? It's possible. Just be prepared for delays. Sourcing materials and hiring trades in Sarnia can take time. And if you're on a deadline, that may cause stress. Financing can also be tricky. Not all lenders approve loans for homes needing major repairs, so talk to a mortgage expert early. Fixer-uppers can be rewarding, but only if you know what you're walking into. Let Blue Coast help you weigh your options and explore renovation-friendly properties in Sarnia.